បាទជំរាបសួរមកកាន់សាលារៀនបញ្ញវន្តខ្មែរទាំងអស់គ្នា and welcome to KA podcast today and today's session we are going to discuss about the International Space Station and there are 5 special guests from Khmer Intellectual Academy students and now without further ado we would like to welcome you. What's your name?
Here, I'm the student at level 5 from Khmer Intellectual Academy.
And what about you?
My name is Astronaut. I study at Khmer Intellectual Academy.
And you?
My name is Kim Sin. I study at Khmer Intellectual Academy.
My name is Devon. I study at Khmer Intellectual Academy in level 5.
My name is Ratnati Yasing. I'm from the Khmer Intellectual Academy.
Okay, so today our 5 special guests will discuss about the International Space Station. That is a very interesting topic that our students have done their research with their project-based learning today. And to find out more, we would like to start with the topic today. And now, can you just share us about your topic today?
Yes. So, our topic is about International Space Stations. So today I'm very excited to be here with my group to do this great topic about space. Everyone, the future of space travel. The future of space travel is a very exciting topic that I had never presented before. It is my first as well for our group. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know there is a big modula orbiting Earth and there are 6 people living in these stations? The project involved, it is 5 countries is Europe, US, Russia, Japan, and Canada. It is 400 kilometers about Earth, 408 kilometers about Earth, and can be seen with a telescope. The next group member will tell you more about how space exploration started. Now let me pass the floor to Vatay to continue.
Okay, let's welcome Vatay.
Now I will be speaking about the first object in space. In 1957, the Sputnik was the first object to orbit Earth by Russia. Russia is a space race with the United States. United States during the time of President John F. Kennedy was also determined to send men into space, but Russia surprised the Americans by sending Yuri Gagarin, the first astronaut in space. In 1969, the U.S. sent 3 astronauts in Apollo 13 into the moon. Those 3 astronauts are Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The mission was outside the United States, and their citizen was proud. Now let's move to Devon to continue.
Okay, Devon, are you ready?
Now it's my turn to present about space telescope. I would like to speak about the Apollo program that was carried out by NASA, which has success repairing and landing the first human on the moon from 1968 to 1972. It cost $178 billion. The United States stopped the program due to cost. They decided to work on space telescope. The James Webb Telescope was a solar energy telescope with HD camera. It was launched December 2021. It now sends back HD picture of space and even black hole. That science wanted to study more about it is now public picture that you can find on its website, jameswebbtelescope.com. Now let's move to Kim Sin.
Okay, Kim Sin, are you ready? Let's go.
Yes. I will tell all of you about Astronaut. An astronaut has a very difficult mission to accomplish. They have to travel into space, launch in a rocket. They are brave people to do what they do. In space, we have zero gravity and oxygen, so it is difficult for astronauts to work up there and live in international space stations. Sometimes the station needs upgrades, so astronauts will go outside the station to fix things. They wear a special spacesuit with helmets, gloves, boots, and backpack to protect them from the space radiation and also provide water and oxygen for astronauts. Let's move to Yasin to continue.
Elon Musk is the one of my idol. He has accomplished space travel that can launch and land back into formation without any damage. His company, SpaceX, is the forerunner in space travel. He started to bring humans to Mars in 2033. Imagine humans Living on the red planet it is something very impossible, but Elon Musk made it possible for humans to travel around our galaxy. His SpaceX rocket has now made 10 successful that can launch with no accident or death. Now let's move to Sister Kim Hyeng to tell all of you about in conclusion.
Okay, let's go, Kim Hyeng.
So in conclusions, the International Space Station is 408 kilometers above Earth, and there are 6 people living in the stations. And the Sputnik, first object in space, and the Yuri Gagarin, the first person in space. Then this is the Apollo missions that sent 3 astronauts to the moon. We hope you guys more familiar with space, and we appreciate your time and attentions.
Good. It's a very interesting topic, everyone. So today we're discussing about the International Space Station, and after the 5 special guests from KA has presented and discussing about what they understand from the International Space Station, so I can just come up to an idea about Elon Musk. Elon Musk is one of the billionaire who is interested in creating a spaceship that can really bring people to the other planets.
Yeah.
So it's a very interesting, ambition from the billionaires that he really want to create a spaceship that can really make people feel they can go to other, planets in the future of the spaceship, right? And I'm very impressed by the topic today is about the International Space Station. So before we come to the end of our discussion today, we would like to ask about student impression regarding to that topic. So Kim Hyeng, so what is your last impression and what have you learned from your topic regarding to the International Space Station today?
I have learned about how space exploration start and who go to the space. Before I learning that, I don't know how astronaut go there, and I know about Apollo missions, and I know about Sputnik of first object in space, and who is the first person in space.
Okay, thank you very much. It is the astonished topic for today's discussion, and thank you very much. So our KA podcast come to the end, and thank you. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, teacher.